Have you said thank you to the markets recently? What is going on, everyone? Jeremy Ritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading, here with a Sunday episode of Driven. And markets are closed tomorrow, so keep that in mind. We have a compressed week, 4-day action, and what a week it's going to be. And I'll get into that here in a second. We're actually going to have a Monday setup instead of a Sunday setup because we have the day off. But I started by saying, did you take a moment to thank the markets recently? How cool were the markets? It's a place where we can A, take our money, B, invest it, and C, watch it go up over time, right? Now, it doesn't mean it's going to be a straight line or that every investment or trade that we take is going to be a winner, but where else can you do that? Nowhere, right? So take a moment just to say gratitude for the markets. Anyway, what are we looking at here on the charts from a technical perspective? And again, nothing has changed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the same thing. We are due for a breakdown before we are going to break out. That's just what the charts are saying. On the SPX on Friday, we did not take out last week's Thursday low, but we did pierce below the 100 SMA. We bounced, but it was very weak. The strength that kind of came in there midday when the SPX was rallying a little bit really was just dissipated. It went away, and the charts just look shady. They look weak. They look shaky. They look like they're ready to nap. And it just is what it is. And it's not a bad thing. Again, the money has rotated into industrials. Go take a look at a ticker symbol like Caterpillar. Go look at oil. Go look at ExxonMobil. You can see where the money is rotating, and we see where it's flowing out of. And that's your big mega cap tech companies. In my analysis that I did this weekend, the majority of mega cap tech is below the 200, and your tickers like NVDA and Tesla are just kind of hanging out, chopping sideways. And so really everything is going to hinge on, as it always does, I feel like, NVIDIA earnings on the 25th. We have a week to go before that happens, and depending on what comes there, we'll get the flush. So we'll see. So the best way to approach this is just know that, hey, a correction is coming. It's just we don't know when. We can't predict when. But is it going to be something of a longer duration? Or are we going to see a bit of a bear market? If you go on X, or if you read the comments in TradingView, it's going to be 1929, the Great Depression, everything's collapsing around us, fire, doom, and brimstone, blah, blah, blah. I mean, and if that's what it is, it's what it is. Then we deal with it accordingly. Our long-term portfolios take shots, they drop, they lose value for a while, and then they'll recover. But we'll use that time to add in spaces where we see value. And wow, that's a really cool house. Wow, pardon me. And that's what we'll do, right? We're not going to be intimidated. We're not going to be fearful. We're not going to be afraid. We're going to see it as opportunity. So here's kind of how I'm thinking this is going to play out. And real fast, before I hopped on here, Bitcoin is down about 1,400 points. So it was up slightly on Saturday, up about 1,000 points, giving a lot of that back. Here's one way that this could play out heading into NVIDIA. We could see a sell-off this week. Now, we have a glut of data coming on Friday, PCE, GDP, but it's also options expiration, and the Supreme Court is going to give their opinion on the Trump tariff. So there's going to be tons of volatility. Maybe they will sell this thing down, drop it, something a la August 2024 flash crash, dump it, reset the valuations, and then NVIDIA earnings comes, and oh my gosh, look at this new thing with AI that we didn't know about that is going to add so much more value and so much more profits, and then it's all over. So that's a scenario that I can see happening, but this is going to be an important week. It's going to be a volatile week. Like I said, it's compressed into 4 days, OPEX, Supreme Court ruling. Let's see what happens. It's going to be fun. So let me know, does the correction come sooner rather than later? Does it come before NVIDIA earnings or does it come after? Drop that in the comments below. Make sure you check out the Monday setup tomorrow. And don't forget, we're closed tomorrow. So enjoy your day. As always, make it a great day. Honor the moment. And most importantly, be grateful. Take care, everyone.